Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am super excited to review the uwant D100.
This is an innovative wet-dry vacuum cleaner which is featuring a unique push-in docking station, a floating handle, and a highly ergonomic 180 degrees lay-flat design. Its powerful suction and self-cleaning system makes any household cleaning effortless.
Guys, you know I hate cleaning my floors. This is why I am obsessed about all possible types of cleaning resolutions, of robots, or of just very comfortable cleaning tools. This is why today I am so very excited to review this uwant D100. Well guys, let's get started with the review because I cannot wait to show you what this one is capable of. And I mean, spoiler alert. So this is a uwant wet-dry vacuum cleaner, the D100 model. First of all, let's talk about how powerful this one is. So it comes with an 18,000 PA suction ability for streak-free cleaning. The wet-dry vacuum cleaner offers 18,000 PA, which this is an ultra-strong suction. Now guys, let's talk about the docking station. So this is where you are charging your wireless wet and dry washer. So this is a push-in base station. It's extra easy to use and it is a revolutionary type of a design, and that's actually a very different type of a base station that I've seen before. So usually the wet and dry vacuum will face outside, while this base station makes the vacuum to face inside, and this is a push-in base station. So this type of a base was ergonomically designed and it is easing on the cleaning routine. So thanks to the push-in docking station, you can easily attach and detach the machine from the base, so there is no need in lifting your vacuum. Another thing is that it's extra lightweight, so as a result, it's easy to maneuver this one. It has an ergonomically designed 0 inches handle, which is giving the maximum control of the situation, and it's so extra easy to use and navigate with this one. That type of a design of a handle lets you clean with ease while you are keeping your hands free. The handle moves seamlessly with your wrist for the maximum flexibility and your comfort. So the upper hand weight is approximately around 300 grams, which is nothing. Like your AirPods, I think, will weigh more than that. So as a result, this type of a flexible handle allowing your arm to hang naturally and to move your vacuum with an ease. It's also excellent in cleaning the edge. So it's gonna clean any type of an edge without leaving any gaps or any missed spots. And now guys, it can clean it all. It's also waterproof. The waterproof standard, it stands for its IPX6, and it can clean any type of a mess like eggs, jams, pasta, coffee, any type of a dirt and dust, snacks, hair, pet hair, milk, and so very on. Any possible thing that you can even think of, it can do it all. Now you also have a smart suction adjustment. So it is gonna adjust the suction ability according to the type of a mess that you're cleaning right now. So it is able to sense how big a mess you are cleaning right now. So if it's any type of a small stains, it's gonna work on low. If it's like moderate stains, it's gonna work on medium. If it's a heavy mess, like heavy stains, and it senses it and knows, it's gonna automatically adjust itself to the maximum power and maximum ability of what it can do. It works on a dual-sided precision. Also, by the way, when it cleans itself, it is also cleans itself with the double-side technology too. And by the way, guys, the smart suction adjustment made by AI. How cool is that? Just for the comparison, guys, your regular and average robotic vacuum cleaner that you are using around your house daily is able to give you about 5,000 to 8,000 PA power of suction, while the uwant D100 can give you 18. That's about 2.5 times more than any other like regular traditional type of vacuum that you would use all around your house. So this one is an ultra strong suction ability. So it can effortlessly mop and vacuum simultaneously without leaving any spots behind him. It's perfect for removing any type of dust from your floors, any type of debris, spills. It can work on any type of a mess on the hard floors. Now, it has 180 degrees of a lay flat design. So it can lay very much to the floor. That type of a flexibility is necessary when you are cleaning under your furniture, let's say under your sofa, under your bed, under your cabinets. So as a result, you are having more freedom and flexibility to move this one around, and you can have a way more successful cleaning scenarios with this one than with anyone else that doesn't lay 180 degrees on the floor. So it actually lays like flat. This is a lay flat type of a design, and it has a dual
edge cleaning feature to make it simple to reach under any type of objects. Another thing is this one is wireless and it has a long-lasting battery. So, one full charge supposed to be enough for your entire home cleaning. It's equipped with a durable wireless battery power, so in total it can run for up to 40 minutes on one full charge. That should be enough to literally clean your entire house. I mean, of course it depends on the size of your house, but well, our house is about 2,400 square feet and that's way more than enough for me. It also has a built-in odor removal system. To me, that's a lifesaver because I hate standing water, because standing water, it's bacteria, standing water, it's viruses, it stinks, it's disgusting, and I just literally cannot stand that type of water. So with the uwant D100, there is no more unpleasant smells, and that's extra cool because it features a unique odor removal system, which is going to keep the device and your floors fresh, even if you occasionally forget to empty the dirty water tank. It also has a self-cleaning and drying for effortless maintenance. So it has an automatic 2-step self-cleaning and low-temperature drying. So you don't need to be worried about drying, about cleaning after use. You simply just put it back to the station and let clean itself as well as dry the mop. Also, that's extra cool because once again, it's less bacteria, it's less odor, and once it's done the self-cleaning procedure, it is gonna self-dry the mops and itself with a 60 degrees by Celsius hot air drying. That's extra cool because that type of drying and self-washing gonna eliminate any type of bacteria and gonna completely free up your hands. Now, the last thing, guys, that I truly love the most, it's all-in-one water tank resolution. So it is located all in one water tank, which has a separation for the dirty water tank and the clean water tank, but it is all located at one place in one type of a container. I truly love it because messing around with 2 different containers, it's really like a mess. So once you have it all in one, it's definitely better. It's just easy on you because you have one thing to take care of instead of 2 containers to take care of. And of course, guys, that this is extra easy to clean and to take care of, to maintain it. It even has a detachable tray to ease on the cleaning routine for you. Well, guys, be so very sure to check it out. I love it a lot.
Well, guys, please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. I'm so very curious to know, what do you think? I enjoyed using this one. I enjoyed washing, cleaning with this one. I love how excellent it takes all the possible edges. I am obsessed about the way how well it can go under most of my furniture around my house. I love how it can go to this like very hidden spots and be able to clean, but not just vacuum there, like actually mop there. I absolutely love it. Well, guys, be so very sure to check uwant out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as I'm gonna leave you all the possible coupon codes, sales, promotions, discounts, and so very on. Every possible thing to save some money of yours. So be so very sure to check out the description box to this video of mine. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.